we'd like to thank once again Kani Pila Grille for inviting us to make music with you guys this afternoon. It is a wonderful venue. We walk by it all the time and see all the wonderful musicians that perform there. And you know, we're getting ourselves ready, you know, just in case we play over there too. So we know we gotta do Hapa songs too, you know, for the tourists. There's a lot of locals that go to Kani Pila Grille, but I see a lot of tourists too. So just for the tourists, we had to learn some touristy stuff. But some touristy stuff actually grew on me and us, and I actually really enjoyed doing it. So this is one of them, written by Tony Conjugation, made popular by the brothers Casimiro, of course. Song entitled Tropical Baby.
Tony Conjugation at first, I forgot.
Loud! My little empress down at Waikiki. Your hips they swaying like a coconut tree. You're such a sweetheart to me. My tropical baby, your hair, your body always tickles me. To see you dancing right in front of me, it's always more than what the people see. Because the way you wink your eyes at me, it blows my senses like a corner breeze. Well, darling, open your eyes and see that I want you to belong to me. My tropical baby, my little empress down at Waikiki. I'm your Hawai'i boy waiting patiently for you to marry me. My little empress down at Waikiki. Your hips they sway like a coconut tree. You're such a sweetheart to me. My tropical baby, yeah, your body always tickles me. To see you dancing right in front of me, it's always more than what the people see. Because the way you wink your eyes at me, it blows my senses like a corner breeze. Well, darling, open your eyes and see that I want you to belong to me. My tropical baby, my little empress down at Hawaii. I'm your Filipino Hawaiian boy waiting for you to marry me.